Quick video on fish in a rain barrel. Got this one set up on my house. 15 rosy red minnows in here that are eating my mosquito larvae and whatnot. These guys are awesome. Look how clean the water is. And they're fertilizing it for my garden boxes that I have going over there and for just my garden in general. Give me a second, I'll show you live time what the difference is between, oh look at that handsome guy, hey Moosey. What the difference is between having fish in your rain barrel and not having fish in your rain barrel. As you can see, our yard is COVID-19 quarantined right now as well too. Same thing. No fish. I took some water out of this to water the tomatoes. That's why it's a little bit low. But I want to get some rosy reds in this one as well too. Anyway, just a quick video on what the difference is between a rain barrel with fish and a rain barrel without fish. My wife has such good style. Look at that. Cheers, guys.